Mm, 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 mm. How's it going? Thanks for clicking on another video. Alexander Leslie Walton here, aka Big Daddy from Why You Don't Have Friends. And today, welcome back to another Behaviors That Make People Like You More mini video. In the longer series, number 2 is smiling with your eyes, baby. Yes. This is something that I coined. I believe I coined this like the smiling eyes amongst my friends anyway, a few years ago. As you can try to notice, I'm trying to emphasize the effect a little bit, and I'll explain to you right now what it actually is and how to do it. It's very powerful when done correctly, but it may take some time depending on your situation. Learn how to smile with your eyes. Your mouth can smile, but it can be lying. But your eyes can't do that. Your mouth can lie. Your eyes can't. So if you've ever seen like someone with an obviously fake smile, all you have to do is cover up their mouth and you'll see that they have serious eyes. Usually they'll have like a fake smile beneath that. So that's a way to tell. But there's a way to actually tap into this sort of smiling eyes energy, a state where your eyes shine with this sort of radiant peace or joy or light or friendliness or love or something like that. Take note of how your eyes feel the next time you laugh or find yourself smiling. Take note also at that time of the energy in your body. When you find yourself organically laughing or smiling, pay attention to how your eyes feel and how the energy in your body feels. After some time of practicing just paying attention to that, you can consciously tap into that state anytime. That smiling eyes, you can turn them on almost at will, even if you're not in a particularly smiley mood, which makes people feel more comfortable. It just does. Even if you're going through something painful, and I'm not saying to hide anything, you can still be showing pain through smiling eyes. There's just like a deadness to the eyes that I'm trying to help you avoid here that many people suffer from. To be clear, the smiling eyes is not about joy necessarily. You could still be going through a hard time and still tap into that smiling eyes energy that it makes people feel more comfortable. It makes you more attractive. So give it a try, and I'm sure you will get some great results, but it could get awkward before that. All right. Smile with your eyes. See you later.